Hi, I'm Tania from Trademark Plumbing Gasfitting. We're a Territory local family business. I've come today to show you how to pull off dunny seats. Perfect thing that everyone needs to know. I see a lot of this on social media about how to get the toilet seats off to clean. So I thought we might as well go in to a showroom and rip a few of them off. So here we go. So every toilet seat can be different. So I don't have one of these. This is cool. Push the buttons in and you just rip it off. And then you line it back up. There you go, she's back on. Let's go and find another one. So here's another one. If we check this one, it needs Allen keys at the back. So this must be an older one. So when you go and get your toilet, just see if you can get that toilet seat off easy. This one here, this one's got a little button on the back. Just push the button, she pops out, goes back in, easy as. This one's an older one. It's got screws or clips at the back that you've got to undo and then you just put it back on. So this is the oldest one that they've actually got in display, I would think. Let me check this one. Hey, there's a surprise in this one. No, this one's got a button. Well, after playing with all of those, I know which toilet I'm gonna go with. One that has a push button, so I can easily get that seat off, clean underneath it, and then put it back on. Easy as.